Hello! How do you like this wall? Sometimes pain do that to our heart. Pain is so strong that our heart figuratively really break. Like you have that syndrome of the broken heart because it feels really like your heart is broken. And you know, very often we think that if our heart was broken, we are weak and we're not gonna stand up again. But years ago, I discovered the Kintsukuroi, which is the Japanese art of actually take some broken ceramic pieces and redo them with some gold where it was broken. And they do that because they actually think that this piece is unique. All the things that were the broken piece put back together make that piece unique and very specific. So when you think about that, and instead of being ashamed of your scars, being ashamed of the moments that you were low, being ashamed of not being that Superman or Superwoman that everybody's talking about, remember that Kintsukuroi, you are unique. Your pain made you who you are. Your scars made you who you are, and there's nothing to be ashamed of because all of us have scars. Scar, and we know we're talking about emotional ones, and some are just completely healed and we're fine, and some still tender, and they might always be tender. So don't try to hide them, don't be ashamed of them. Kintsukuroi, you are unique. All those scars make you unique. Ciao.